Wait, Spain is making cars again? And this plug-in hybrid SUV costs less than 30,000 euros with government incentives? I'm taking a look at the EBRO S700 plug-in hybrid today, and honestly, I wasn't expecting much. But after getting behind the wheel, this Spanish comeback story might just surprise you. Let me start with the elephant in the room. EBRO isn't really Spanish anymore. It's backed by Chinese giant Chery, assembled in the old Nissan factory in Barcelona. But here's the thing. I don't care about the politics when the product is this good for the money. First impressions matter, and the S700 looks expensive. At 4.55 meters long, it's properly sized for families. The design borrows heavily from other Chery products like the JQ7, but that's not necessarily bad. The octagonal grille looks assertive, the LED headlights are sharp, and those 18-inch wheels fill the arches nicely. It's not groundbreaking, but it's handsome enough to not embarrass you in the school pickup line. But let's talk about what really matters, the powertrain. This isn't some underwhelming hybrid system. We're looking at 347 horsepower combined from a 1.5-liter turbo engine and 2 electric motors. That's serious power, and the 18.3 kilowatt-hour battery gives you 90 kilometers of pure electric range. That's enough for most daily commutes without burning a drop of fuel. Step inside and prepare to be impressed. Seriously, the build quality here rivals German SUVs costing 15,000 euros more. The dual 12.3-inch displays are crisp and responsive. The Sony sound system actually sounds good, and there's wireless charging for your phone. The seats are comfortable with heating and ventilation, and there's genuinely impressive space in the back for adults. 500 liters of boot space is decent too, though not class-leading. Here's where it gets interesting. Most plug-in hybrids take forever to charge, but the S700 plug-in hybrid supports 40 kilowatt DC fast charging. That's almost unheard of in this segment. You can go from 30 to 80% in just 19 minutes. Game changer for road trips. On the road, it prioritizes comfort over sportiness, which makes sense for a family SUV. The ride is smooth, the cabin is genuinely quiet thanks to double-glazed windows, and in electric mode, it's whisper silent. The DHT transmission can be a bit sluggish in parking lots, but it's smooth enough for normal driving. Real-world fuel consumption sits around 5 liters per 100 kilometers when you're not running on electric power. Now here's the kicker, pricing. The luxury trim starts at just over 28,000 euros after incentives. For that money, you get equipment that would cost you extra on a Volkswagen Tiguan or Toyota RAV4. We're talking heads-up display, 360 camera system, panoramic sunroof, and heated leather seats as standard. Look, the EBRO S700 plug-in hybrid isn't perfect. The steering could be more engaging, and purists will grumble about the Chinese connection. But if you want a practical, well-equipped plug-in hybrid SUV that won't break the bank, this Spanish phoenix rising from the ashes deserves serious consideration. Sometimes the best cars aren't the most prestigious ones. They're the ones that simply deliver more for less. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, hit that like button and subscribe for more content just like this. Leave a comment below with your thoughts or questions. I read every single one. And don't forget to click the bell icon to get notified about my next upload. See you in the next video.